Orange peel mask, benefits and recipes. What are the benefits of orange peel for the skin? How is it possible to prepare and apply an orange peel mask at home with several recipes? Here is a list of the most prominent benefits of orange peel for the skin. 1. Lightening dark spots. Orange peel may help lighten dark spots, because orange peel contains hesperidin, a substance that may contribute to lightening pigmentation and unifying skin tone. 2. Resist the problem of acne. The topical use of orange peel may have a variety of benefits for oily skin, which may be prone to pimples, as orange peel contains anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial substances that may help dry pimples and speed up their recovery, keeping oily skin under control, which may contribute to acne prevention. 3. Peeling the skin. Because of the high content of citric acid in orange peel, using dried orange peel powder may help exfoliate the skin and get rid of the accumulation of dead cells and pollutants, which may contribute to opening closed pores and getting rid of blackheads. 4. Anti-aging skin. Orange peel contains natural materials, such as magnesium, and various antioxidants such as vitamin C, which may help to resist damage to the skin due to harmful oxidative activity, and this oxidative activity in particular is one of the factors that may cause skin aging. Therefore, orange peel and orange peel mask have potential natural anti-aging properties, such as wrinkles. 5. Other benefits of orange peel. Orange peel may also have other benefits, such as moisturizing the skin because the orange peel is rich in potassium, which may help the skin to retain its moisture. Reducing the scars that pimples may leave on the skin after they fade. Resisting some inflammatory skin problems, due to the richness of the orange peel in vitamin E, improving the texture of the skin and ridding the skin of impurities. Orange peel mask recipes. It is possible to prepare dried orange peel at home by drying the orange peel in the sun, and then grinding the dry peel, so that it is ready for use in orange peel mask recipes. Here are some simple orange peel mask recipes. 1. Orange peel and sandalwood mask. Exfoliate the skin. Mix 1 tablespoon of orange peel powder with 1/2 teaspoon each of walnut powder and sandalwood powder, then add 1/2 teaspoon of honey and 1/2 tablespoon of curd to this mixture. Massage the face with the orange peel mixture for 5 minutes, then wash the face with warm water. 2. Orange peel and almond mask. To lighten the skin, mix 1 tablespoon of ground orange peel powder with 1 tablespoon each of ground almonds and ground oats, then add a little milk to the mixture. Distribute the orange peel and almond mask on the face skin, leave for 20 to 25 minutes until it dries, then wash the face from the mask with water. 3. Orange peel and chickpea mask. To improve the appearance of oily skin, mix 1 tablespoon of dried orange peel powder with 1 tablespoon of water and 1 tablespoon of chickpea flour, then spread a thick layer of orange peel mask on the skin, and leave it for 5 minutes until it dries. Rinse the orange peel mask after it dries with water. 4. Orange peel and aloe vera mask. For fresh and healthy skin, mix 1 to 2 tablespoons of orange peel with an equivalent portion of aloe vera juice. Leave the mixture of orange peel and aloe vera on the face for 10 minutes, then wash it with cold water. 5. Orange peel and baking soda mask. For problem-free skin, mix 2 tablespoons of orange peel powder and baking soda, then add 1 tablespoon of honey to the mixture. Apply orange peel and baking soda to the skin, leave it for 10 to 15 minutes, and then wash it off with warm water. 6. Orange peel mask. Other recipes. It is also possible to take advantage of the orange peel to improve the general appearance of the skin through other recipes, such as orange peel mask to lighten dark spots. Mix a little orange peel powder with water, then apply the orange peel paste to the dark spots once a day. Orange peel peeling mask. Mash the ripe pulp of the papaya fruit with 1 tablespoon of orange peel powder and 1 tablespoon of rose water. Use this mixture as an exfoliator for oily skin. Orange peel mask for instant glow. Mix a spoonful of orange peel powder with a spoon of honey and 1/4 of a spoon of turmeric. Apply the mixture on the face and wash off after 8 minutes with rose water. If you like the video, like and subscribe to the channel.